Good morning everyone. Today we will discuss very important topic in English, that is tenses. Okay. Tenses. I think many of you know, right? Tenses means time of action. Time of action. So
I think
in our mother tongue we have present tense, that is present, which is going on right now. We have past tense, which is already happened, and future tense, which is going to happen in the future.
yes.
Like, but English also has three times, that is present tense, past tense and future tense, but it is again classified into four. Every present tense is again classified into four types, past is again classified into four types, future is also classified into four types. Like why that reason means exact time to give the specific information about time of action. It is again divided into four types. With the examples we try to understand what is the difference of four types of present tense, four types of past tense and four types of future tense. Okay, first we will discuss present tense. Present tense. So present tense is again divided into four types, right? Present tense. First one is simple present tense. You remember with abbreviation simple present tense. Next one is present continuous tense, present perfect tense, present perfect continuous tense. These are the four subdivision of the present tense. So we'll see every tense with some basic structure and few examples, so that we'll get the clarity of correct usage of tense. Why this is divided into four sub tenses. Okay. First, for simple present tense, we'll see from basic examples. First, simple present tense structure, that is subject plus V1 plus object. So we'll see. First, we'll give a very simple example, that is subject. All the names, all the things, all the name of the things, basically all the nouns and pronouns will comes under subjects. So every sentence is divided into three parts: subject, verb, object, right? So we'll use some basic example, that is she. This is the subject. Pronoun which we are using as a subject. Like subject plus V1. V1 means any verb which is in the present form. Like go, we can use go, or watch. Watch plus object. She, like here, whenever we add, this is noun, right, box. Whenever we add yes or yes, it will become plural. Whenever that is a noun, if we add yes or yes, it will become plural. But when it comes to verb, if we add yes or yes, it will become the present form, V1. Okay. So we are supposed to use V1 by adding es. For some words, to make it grammatically correct, we are supposed to use es. Go is V1, but according to grammatical correction, we are supposed to use V4 form, that is goes. Sorry, V5 form. Okay.
V5 form.
V5 form, that is goes. Okay, you just don't confuse this. You think as V1. First form.
Whenever the third person, whenever the subject, the third person singular, that is she, it, and third person singular, we need to add s or es to the verb.
Okay, right. As you said, whenever the subject, that is in
Third person singular.
You somewhere you have heard about first person, second person, third person. I will clear you what is first person, second person, third person. So first person is I, the speaker. You, the listener, and they, he, she. We are like, I am the first speaker. You are the listener. That we are talking about third person. You don't. Now you will get the clarity. I am the first person. You are the listener, first listener from my side. So you are the second person. Whomsoever I am talking about, he will be the third person. I will be the first person. You will be the second person. What is the second person singular? Second person singular is you.
Yes.
Like, what is the first person plural? I, right? I is the first person singular, right? What is the first person plural? We. Plural, right? More than one. What is the second person plural? Second person plural is you. What is second person plural? Is also you, because Like I can give you example, you stand up. If I wanted to make use of the same word, you as plural, all of you stand up. So we are using second person you as singular and also plural. You is singular and plural. Like you stand up, all of you stand up. We are using the same helping verb you to describe both singular and plural. Right? All of you. Subject. Pronoun. You is pronoun, not verb. You is pronoun. Okay, all of you. First person is me. First person singular is I. First person plural is we. Second person singular is you. Second person plural is you. Third person singular is he, she, it. Third person plural is they. Those are my pens. Those are my shoes. Shoes are plural, right? Third person plural is those. He, she, it are third person singular. So whenever we are using third person singular, that is he, she, it, we are supposed to add verb V1 plus es plus object. She goes to
whenever we use es or whenever you use s or es. Give me an example with s. Give me an example with es.
So she goes to market for buying vegetables. Like this is a use for when we are adding es for verb. Okay. Like I told you, right? I is a first person singular. I
eat
rice every day. So this is the example for simple present tense. That is subject is I. That is first person singular. Eat is a verb, like action. Eating is one of the action. So that is in V1. Rice every day. This is the object, and this sentence is following the structures subject plus V1 plus object. So what you are supposed to use is what is the tense of the verb. If it is in V1, you can directly come to the conclusion that this sentence is in simple present tense. And I eat rice every day. The things which are happening every day, we can consider it as a simple present tense. Habitual actions comes under simple present tense. Okay, sun rises in the east. That is a universal truth. That also comes under sun. Like if you write sun rises in the east. So it is following the structure like sun is a subject, verb is rises object.
So sun is third person singular. So rise plus s rises. Sun is third person singular.
That's the reason we are using es.
We added s to the V1.
V1. Okay, na? This is also in the simple present tense. Okay, all the usual actions. You need to consider what is the tense of the verb. According to that, you can classify. In the exam, what will be given? You are given one sentence. You are supposed to change the tense, that particular sentence into other tense. First, you have to understand what is the tense of that particular sentence. So, she goes to market is in the simple present tense. So, this is in simple present tense, right? If you wanted to make it into past tense, she went to market. So, we are just changing the verb to make it in past tense. So, you need to concentrate on the what is the verb, what is the tense of that verb. According to that, you need to predict that it is in the simple present tense. So, this is all about simple present tense. Just remember subject plus V1 plus object. Every sentence is divided into 3 types: subject plus V1 plus object. Sometimes we are adding es when we are talking about when we are using the subject, he, she, it, that is third person singular. Like I already explained, first person, second person, third person. That is the classification. Whenever you are using third person, singular or plural, you are supposed to add es to the verb to make it grammatically correct. This is some things are grammars are some things are to be remembered. Like this is all about simple present tense. So same way.